Cleveland was at risk of losing baseball and softball as programs in our athletic program.
Leonard Jackson, the athletic director of the Cleveland Municipal School District, called me and said, we are now reduced to only 2 sports per term at the Cleveland Municipal School District. So I dialed Larry Dolan, our owner. He says, well, whatever it takes, let's do it. Tell them the Cleveland Indians will completely fund all public schools, boys baseball and girls softball.
But then they even went a step further when Cleveland was talking about cutting that as far as paying our coaches. They stepped up and they started paying our coaches differentials, fringe benefits.
And the support that we get from the Indians is very important to us. Without it, we can't even function.
Well, I can tell you without the Indians, Cleveland was cutting baseball and softball out of the program. So without them, there would not have been baseball and softball.
The monies that they give us allow us to get uniforms, bats, all the equipment, even contributes to the coaching salary. So their contribution is what really makes our program work.
So, you know, again, it truly is a partnership that we try to do what we can do for them, and they continue to give to save our program.
There's been times where we've gone down to the stadium to help with the flag on the field. There's been food giveaway programs that we've been participating in. And these are things that, you know, just further develop the kids. It's a lot more than just the baseball component, actually.
The championship game for our Senate is played on Progressive Field. And that's such a thrill for the kids just to be able to walk down on that field and to sit into the dugout.
Wide-eyed, jaws dropped. They couldn't believe this was theirs. That was the most important. They were so proud to call this their ballpark.
That whole experience, I think, is one that these kids will cherish for the rest of their lives.